9x plus 3 minus 5x is greater than or equal to 2 times, open parentheses, 2x plus 5, close parentheses. As always, the very first thing that I want to do is to draw my balance line separating the two expressions. So wherever my inequality is, that's where I'm going to draw my balance line. I need to identify my variables. So I can see I've got an x here and here. I also have an x on the other side, so I've got several of them that I'm going to be working with. Now I need to simplify, and I have to remember that each side is simplified separately. So I'll start with the left-hand side. To simplify, I'm going to follow the order of operations. And I have no parentheses, so I don't worry about that. Well, I do have parentheses on the other side, but not on this side. No exponents. I don't have any multiply or divide, but I do have some add and subtract with these variables. I can't put them together with the 3 because 3 is a constant and the x is a variable and they don't combine. So I have 9x minus 5x, which is going to leave me 4x. And I can't forget my plus 3. I've got to put that here as well. And now I have that simplified. Looking at the other side of the balance line, I have to simplify that side as well. I have parentheses, but inside is 2x plus 5. I cannot combine a constant with a variable, so that is done. I have no exponents. I do have a multiply. I've got 2 times the parentheses, so that means 2 times each thing inside of the parentheses. 2 times 2x is 4x. 2 times 5 is positive 10. At this point, I want to make sure that I still have my variables, that I've identified them, and it looks like I have an x on each side of my balance line, and I need to move them all to the same side. So I typically move the smaller one. In this particular case, though, it appears that they're the same. So when I subtract to get rid of them, I'll subtract the 4x from here and from here, and it actually gets rid of our variables altogether. And this will leave us with 3 is greater than or equal to 10. Well, we know that that's not true. 3 is not greater than 10. It is not equal to 10. So in this particular case, this inequality has no solution.